you can see we are in Davis Court, and this is the back. So we'll still go to the front. So this is a dual carriageway that leads to this road. This road leads to Coast City Eastern Extension, and you see Coast City Eastern Extension before you see Shiloh Gardens and Davis Court. So Davis Court is going for 10 million, while Shiloh is going for 7.5 million. Don't be left out. You know what happened in Centenary is going to happen here. I mean, the land value increase. There was a time Centenary was selling for 5 million naira, and it already happened here last month, sometime this month and last month. Davis Court is selling for 5 million naira, now it's 10 million, and people are still going to buy it for 30 and 35 million naira. So make a choice now. Is it you or is it them? Okay. As long as you're interested in investing in Enugu real estate market, Davis Court and Shiloh Gardens is a perfect start for you. Let's go to the other side, so I'll show you more. So part of the promises we made when we are still doing our pre-sale was to move in to Davis Court once we are done with our pre-sale. You can see the caravans are here. We are bringing in equipment small, small. We are bringing equipment small, small. You can see the containers are here. This is where we pack our cement and tools. One thing I can assure you is that when you invest in Davis Scott Estate, you're not going to regret it. As a part of our plans to make our investors happy, you can see we have sands already. So we'll start molding block and start getting ready to prepare to start our fencing. So you see, this is where we'll be packing our cement. Yeah. So the main gate will be here, and it will go right inside. Okay. So after showing you this, I know you're gonna be very serious in investing in Enugu real estate market. And if you're from the Igbo land, I don't know how else I'm gonna say this, but I've been saying this since 2022. You have to invest in your town. Like if you're from Enugu, invest in Enugu cities. If you're from Anambra, invest in Anambra. If you're from Imo, invest in Owerri. These three states, I cover them, and I have best properties there. And let's move forward. If you want to invest in Davis Scott Estate, click the link below to get started. See you on my next video. Bye bye.